I finally got my underglow kit on, my Camaro peeps. So right now I'm gonna take the time to explain how I routed it on, what I used to install the kit, because I've been looking on YouTube and I don't see anybody actually explaining how they routed the wires, if they had to drill any holes or whatnot. I didn't find any information on that. So hopefully, you know, people can find this very helpful, because especially if you have a Camaro, you can actually, it'll kind of make your life a little bit easier than mine was, because it took me a little time to kind of figure it out. But nevertheless, we did figure out how to route the wires and all that, okay? But anyway, if you guys are new to the channel and you like the content, be sure to like, subscribe. You guys can also hit me up on Instagram, especially concerning the Camaro, and I'll be there to help you guys. But anyway, so basically how I routed the wires, which was pretty easy. We have the controller module right there that controls the LEDs in the underglow kit. I mounted it right there. I still need to, I'm gonna actually mount it on here so it's not just hanging. But right now, just for this purposes, because I just put it on, I just got it right here right now. Now, all the wires were easy to conceal because I have these luxury mats right here. So all the wiring are tucked under these mats, and so they're easily concealed. So basically I fed, and this is for both driver and passenger side skirt LED strips. I fed the wires underneath that padding, underneath my floor mat, fed it through this hole here, which is already drilled on the chassis, okay? You feed the wire through there, it comes down, and there's a little opening. If you just release, there's a clip right here. All you have to do is release the clip, and there's another hole. It's about 1 inch in diameter, and you just feed it through there. And then once you feed it through there, it drops underneath the chassis here. You can actually see, where's it at? The wire right there. You can see where the wire came out, and you just see the strip right there, okay? So that's the that's basically where and how I mounted both LED strips for the sides. And obviously I cleaned it very thoroughly because, you know, I stuck it on with 3M tape, and you want to make sure you get a good bond, and you know that just increases the longevity of the tape if you clean the surface off thoroughly, okay? So I made sure I cleaned everything, okay? And that's how I mounted the side skirt LED strips. Now, if we go into the under the front lip, where I have the LED strip, I basically routed it underneath my floor mats on the passenger side, all the wires under here. I fed it up through this panel area. It came up through here. So this is the wire right there. Fed it right through there. Fed it all the way through the fender, right? Along here, tucked in. And then once I got here, I just dropped it down. And once I dropped it down, cleaned it thoroughly, and I tried to center it as best as I could, and I think I did a good job doing that. And yeah, it's right there, okay? So that's how I mounted that one. And last one is the rear. Okay, the rear LED strip. So pretty much same process. It's concealed, most of the wire is concealed under this floor mat here. Then I just routed it between this back seat right here, fed it through the trunk area. And then once you feed it through the trunk area, there's this little opening right here where you could just feed it through. And yeah, so once you feed it through, and I just basically mounted it right there. Obviously cleaned it very thoroughly so you get the best bond. And yeah, that's how I mounted the rears, okay? Yep. All right, so yeah, we got my girl. I'm finna kind of just trail her to the little spot right now. Go. Garage. All right. All right, man. So yeah, we got them lights on there. Yeah, looking all right. Looking all right. Let's see if she gonna hit it. We got the underglow kit on right now, and as you can see, I got the grill lights on. Pretty much, you can turn them off and on. You can switch the colors up. They go different modes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the grill kit, and then I got the underglow. The underglow does a lot of things too. That's pretty much the cyan right there, so you change the colors on them. To the red, trying to brighten them. Red, then you got the green, you got the blue. I like the white just because my car white, you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's it, man. It's pretty good. So you got it. You could do all different kind of modes, and you can do all that stuff. I mean, you got everything. Go to the music, all that stuff, man. Go to the music. So I do all that, Yeah, that's how we doing, man. The underglow kit right there. Okay. Yeah, I got it pretty much. It's supposed to be going with the music right now, so. Yeah, for those who didn't know, I actually copped these not too long ago. This is the LED side markers. So I got them for the rear and for the front, the LED strips right there. Okay. Yeah, that's how we rocking, man. Kriese TV. Y'all didn't notice too, man. I'm tatted now. I'm tatted, Kriese TV. So that, yeah, that's pretty much got the interior kit in there, and you can change the mode. You want a solid color? Do a solid color, or you can have it go with the music too. So that's how we doing it. So that's the interior kit. That's the underglow kit. Yeah, man, it was pretty dope to install, man. It wasn't too bad. So yeah. Okay. And then, like I said, we got the grill on there. You can switch up the grill. Switch up the grill. Boom. So yeah, that's how we ride. That's how we riding, baby. Yeah. Yeah, baby, you finna roll back to the house? Superman. She got the red underglows with the blue grill, baby. That's Superman. All right. Hey, baby, I seen you try to hit it and stuff on bowling. Don't be doing that. I know. That's why. Remember we was coming back down. Yeah. That's why I thought you was really gonna gun it. I was like, yeah, baby, that's the perfect time if you want to hit it right there, because ain't nobody coming. No, we gonna still get them pulls though. That's for another video. We'll get some pulls with you though. All right. All right, that's it, man. All right, Kriese TV, and we out, man.